Hello everyone. So today I come up with a new topic which is related to the Phi Agents. So what is the Phi Agents? And I have built the application using the Smart AI Cricket, which is related to the Phi data library. Okay, so how this cricket match with the live data, so live scores and stats and news in one click, how we have to be check that by using the AI powered cricket application. Okay, so here is my simple code. Before that, like what is the Phi data we have to be see. Let me go to my Google and search for in the Google. You can search for the Phi data. So Phi data is nothing but it is a framework for building the multi agents and workflow. So we can build the single agent as well as the multi agent by using the Phi data, and it is a very simple and elegant, powerful and flexible. So these are the things that we have used in our Phi data. Okay, so by using this, we can use the agents UI which supported here, as well as the agents like prompts, knowledge storage, everything. And here you can see the models, what models it support: OpenAI, Anthropic Cloud, AWS, Azure, and DeepSeek, Gemini AI Studio. So today, Grok. Hugging Face, Mistral, NVIDIA, Olama, Open Router, and so all these are the supported AI tools, right? So I use the Gemini AI Studio. So here I use this code. I use the same code like from Phi data import here in my VS code. I just copy and pasted here, but I use my API key and here. So this is my simple model. Here you can see this one from Phi data agent run response, import the Gemini and run the response, share the two sentence of the horror story, right? Okay, so you have to be copy this and paste it in your VS code and use the API key. Okay, so I'm asking to share a four sentence of horror story. So let me run this, and it's going to be execute now. It might take some time. It's still thinking. It will generate the response. So it is generated the very nice prompt, very nice response for this prompt. The last man on the earth sat alone in a room. Then a knock echoed from the door. He froze, heart pounding because he knew the utterly impossible alone. But knocking persisted, growing louder, and a raspy voice whispered, "Let me in." So this is like a horror story, which is in the fourth sentence, right? So by using this same one, and also I use the same thing for another application to know the live details about the cricket match, the match scores which include the India vs Australia, and the how Virat Kohli last 5 games, and the headlines, everything it is included. You can see this code. I use the Gemini model, and here my API, this one. I use the Gemini 2.5 Flash model, and also we can use the uh, here in this, we can see. Okay, so let me. So here we can use a Gemini 2.5 Flashlight Preview 0.617. So I use both the models, but let see first about this model which is related to the Gemini 2.5 Flash model, right? So what I have done here is I asked the agent to give the live match details, and I set the instructions: search for the live cricket match score, summarize the data situation, use the markdown for clarity. And in the second thing, I asked about the agent, like a player stats agent, by using the same model, Gemini 2.5 Flash model. And also I use the cricket web browser, which is the DuckDuckGo, which is a very safest, and to get the latest update details about the cricket match and the latest news. I also asked like provide the live match scores and player statistics and news updates. Everything I have asked, and get the latest score of the India and Australia match, recent stats for the Virat Kohli and the cricket news. So this is the thing I have given here. Now let me go ahead and run my code. Okay, so it is generating the response. Get the scores India vs Australia match. Recent stats for the Virat Kohli cricket news. Okay, as it all depends on the internet speed, so it might take some time to generate the response, but it will give the live data and all the latest news about the India and India vs Australian match, the latest scores and everything. Okay, so it is generating the response. As you can see, this is the code I have written here. Till then, till it get generating the response. Yeah, running the transfer task live agent. Okay, so it has all generated nicely the response. Okay, so there have been no major new injury announcements significantly impacting the team's tournament. Okay, so these are things, eight groups, and so it has given the, as I haven't know about much details about the cricket match, but I think it has given a very nicely a response about the Indian cricket match team. So these are my response, and so this is the summary of the match, total runs, everything details, what are the countries which are played, and so it has finally executed and generated the nice response. Okay, so it has given the latest news as well, and also suggested to check the headlines. Right. So this is the code about the, by using the models 2.5 flash model, and also you can try with the other models as well. It will work very well. So this is for now. Thank you.